Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a social media campaign with Hootsuite, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your Hootsuite account. If you don't have one, create an account on the Hootsuite website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create Post button located at the top of the screen. Select the social media profiles you want to include in your campaign. Compose your message in the text box provided. Add any images or videos by clicking on the media icon. Use the scheduling option to set a specific date and time for your post. Preview your post to ensure everything looks good. You can add links to track engagement using Hootsuite's link shortener if needed. After reviewing, click the Schedule for Later button. To create a more extensive campaign, go to the Publisher section. Select Content Calendar to view your scheduled posts. Next, click on Create a Campaign. Name your campaign for easy identification. Choose the platforms you want to include in this campaign. Add the posts you previously created or will create by following the same process. Set dates and times for each post in the campaign. Once all posts are added, review your campaign schedule. Finally, click Save to finalize and launch your campaign. Monitor engagement and analytics through the Analytics section after your campaign goes live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.